So what's up, guys? Today I'm gonna teach you guys how to make your own skin and hair oil. All natural, organic products. All this stuff works. I'll show you the products now. First, you'll need a mason jar, coconut oil, jojoba oil, lavender oil, apple cider vinegar, organic, of course, vitamin E oil, neem seed oil, argan oil, lavender oil, peppermint oil. You can get all this stuff from Amazon. I'll put a link down in the description and describe all these products for you guys. I'll put it down in the description below so that you can find it, make it easier for you. Alright, so just after this video, just check down in the description and you'll see all these products there. Alright, so the first thing you want to do is take the coconut oil and just pour enough just to cover the bottom of the mason jar. So it's about 3 tablespoons. Second thing you want to do is take the jojoba oil and give it about 10 squirts. Great. And the next thing you want to do is take the apple cider vinegar and pour it just over the jojoba oil and the coconut oil. About that much. Then you take your lavender oil and again 10 drops. After that, you take your tea tree oil, also 10 drops. And you take your argan oil, also give it 10 pumps. Take your rosemary oil, give that 10. So far so good. Your vitamin E, let's give it about a tablespoon. Peppermint oil, you don't use that much. It's about 3. 3 is fine. Neem seed oil. Not a lot. 1 or 2 drops. And you're all done. Cover it back up. And just shake it for about 30 seconds straight. Alright, once you're done shaking it, it should look just like that. So of course, I put too much in my hand. So I'll start to rub it in my hand first before I do my face. It's real smooth. It's a nice feel. My face was shiny. Alright guys, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Like, comment, subscribe. I'll just keep rubbing this in here, you know, until the video is over. And that's pretty much it. Peace, guys.